do some cool design. It's great. If you don't have a nail tip base, you can go in the store. Earlier was Vicky was sharing it's you can get it from Dollar Trees, right, Vicky, for this base, and then you can have a tacky and then place them on. And put the top coat, no white top coat. This will help even like you using a press-ons and glue-on for the clients. The crystal will still want to stay on. You don't want them to be just coming off. And it's floating on the top. I'm so excited with this. Here is my super cute, and I might doing can I please get the another tray? It has so many beads in here. Thank you. There you go. How everyone doing today? Happy Saturday. I know some of your state will be like open soon, but some of yours like will be not open until June. So please stay safe. Can you see it? Like I'm using my Bahamas. I really like this. This is a special for one of my clients as well. She's really like this set. And it's really depend on your salon location or how you price this. And everybody have a different pricings, depends on the length of the nails and depends on how many of crystals or work that you are putting it. Keep in mind there are still a lot of work for you. I believe it more works than you see your clients, because working on this like a press-on and glue-on nails is totally a different experience. As this doesn't attach anything besides the tacky, so if you need to cut it, trim it shorter, I would say Patty's has some of short nails, like a press-on nails is really awesome for the clients who have a short nails. Or else if you do this, you wanna might have to trim it a little bit shorter. So this is a video and live stream today is to be support for a lot of nail techs and for all the beginners who is just start doing a crystal placement, or for all of you who is the veterans and want to get some ideas for press on and glue on nails to take care and serve for your clients. Let me know if you're still seeing it, okay? Because I don't see the screens at all. So I am using all is cool things with the theme. Just bear with me because I got really cool with the theme that I'm doing is a little designer flowers for this set, and the clients want like a clear pink with that design. And I don't know how is the price range for your salons. and for your press on and glue on. But to set with the crystal like this, 3 crystals nails, one was being a mains, and if you're happy with this, want to clear this one. For 60 seconds. I've been cleaning my station and I have all of my nail tip base, which is here somewhere. But just in case you don't have that, you can use what I'm using. This is something I want to share with all of you so then you know. Okay, so should we do the other one and move on to the next one? And usually I'm doing it with design first, and then we'll move on to the other ones. And I am going to use one of the crystals from Happy Anniversary, as an anniversary kit. We're thinking of what should we do. Earlier Sarah was sharing one of the videos, really cool. I am maybe using this one, maybe. Really beautiful, I like that. For 2 of them, I need 2 of them. Perfect pair. That's in the kit. And also I have the mixed crystal too. So I'm gonna using a precision glue on this. Yes, doing a fun stuff first, right, Vicky? So it make you really enjoying and having fun, but without like, oh my God, why am I sitting here and then polish all the nails and it's not done yet? All right, so I'm gonna get the precision glue, and it's dry now because the no wipe top coat on the top of the crystals will give it really perfect, like a grab, the perfect foundation, and as grab the base of your crystal stay in one place. Okay. Here you go. I'm gonna seal it in because even though the client's wearing a press on or glue on nails, they still want to make sure it's not gonna catching on their hair or their clothes, or even like anything they were doing it activities. You know, if you remember back, I would say years ago when we're doing a live video, we're always doing with the tips on this instead of on that Whimsical or whatever you call it. But we do that on the nails. I'm not using a twin tip brush and then blend it because you want your nails, the press on nail is still really nice and flawless. You don't want it just all because you get to the press on nails, then it shouldn't be looks perfect like. Because if they like it, they might like wait for 1 or 2 weeks and they want another one, you know? Okay, here for 60 seconds. How everyone doing today? Hope you all doing well. Happy Saturday. It's really cool, stunning, and then it's everybody doing different ways for the press on and glue ons. A lot of you, I know that you doing like probably a lot of you were doing a custom press on, and like it's okay when you're doing a regular clients, right? with the regular clients that you know their taste, the way they wanted it. But what about the clients that they know you on Instagram, like local, but they don't ever get chance to know, you know, if your beautiful work, your beautiful art. So then if you can't, like, you know exactly what they want, you want to custom some of the set first. So then that way you sell as it is.